Hello, in this video I am going to tell you how to work with a feature called Emboss. In Fusion 360, Emboss can be used to add material or remove material for a particular thickness on any of the surface. A surface can be flat or inclined, or it is having a zigzag positions. Now I will show three different kind of examples. So whatever we are seeing, it is a little curvature or tilted area. One, I can show you this is a cylindrical surface. So one, I can show you a cross section here. So we can see here three different type of shapes. So one is a cylinder, so one is a random shape which is having some face something so, and now one we are having a plain curvature surface. Now for these three different substances I am going to tell how we can work with emboss or deboss. So the concept is very clear. Emboss or deboss. Emboss will add material to the object, or deboss will remove material from the object. So first, where we want to create an emboss or deboss, so first thing what we have to do is we have to make a sketch of that particular sketch which we have to emboss. The sketch criteria is the sketch must be parallel to the working body, or else it must be at some offset distance to the working body. For suppose here I want to emboss it, so for that what I am doing, before it I am going to have a offset plane at some distance. Now on this offset plane I am going to write some name here. um, just I am taking a plain text. So I just give my name here, Vishwa. So I increase the height by 20 and just I make it bold and click OK. Now click on finish sketch. Now if we see here, the text is at some distance from the body. Now we go to create, under that we find an option called emboss. Now sketch, here it is asking to select the sketch. Here just select this name Vishwa, and now select the face, in essence select this face where we want to emboss the object. Now if we can see here, a 2 mm emboss has been created on the surface. So you can increase the depth value here, and alignment you can change it from the tab here. So if we click on emboss, the material will be added. If we click on deboss, the material will be deleted from the surface. You can see here the difference between emboss as well as deboss. See here, we can observe the material went inside the depth of 2 mm. If I click on emboss here, the material will be added outside the object. You can see here. The text has been extruded outside the object. So if this is a flat surface, now on this cylinder I need to project. The emboss can be used mainly while projecting logos, names or text, any other design. Now I will take one construct offset plane again to this at certain distance. Click OK. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste some logo on this cylinder face. So for that I'm taking an SVG here. So I will insert on the construction plane here. So I will just bring into one position. Let's say I have some logo of this kind. Now let's say OK and click on finish sketch. Now I have some logo like this, and this logo I need to print on the surface of this cylinder. So for this what I'm going to do, go to create, now select an option emboss. Now select the sketch, how much ever you want to project. So there are multiple entities, so I am selecting everything here. Okay, now select the face. Now I need to project on the cylinder face. Select the face of the cylinder. It takes a little time because there are multiple selections, and I just give 2 mm thickness and click OK. The text or the logos, anything from simple structure to the complex structure, if you want to engrave on the any of the surfaces, we can use the option that is emboss or deboss. Now if you see here, the texture I have placed here, so I just check the mode, visual style, shaded with visible edges. Now you can see clearly this part especially. Okay, so like how we can make the emboss and deboss, so we can repeat this emboss option on any of the surface, even though it is flat or non-flat surfaces. Thanks for watching.